So basically this is approximately 7 kg, and we put about a handful of BSF on top. So these are ready waste. I can still add more of the chicken manure, fresh chicken manure from my chicken coop. Yeah, just like that. So if you are a chicken farmer, you don't need a lot of resources to start big. You can see I'm using cut jerrycans to be able to do it. So these are recycled jerrycans. This is chicken coop. So as you can see closely, this is how the 5 days old look like. They are mixed. Basically, they were hatched in wheat bran. So when they feed, this is the kind of manure. But as you can see the movement of the 5 days old larvas. So we are going to introduce them onto waste like this. So we basically put on top of the waste. We don't put the waste on top of the larvae, because they feed downward, and also we want them to find their way downward instead of putting food on top of them, so that they don't suffocate.